49. Dyersburg, cloudy and 45. Covington, cloudy and 46. Somerville, mostly sunny and 48. Bolivar, sunny and 48. Tupelo, partly sunny and 46. Oxford, sunny and 48. Weather situations. Specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially warning alarm, will vary at any different location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. The current time is 11:03 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. at Memphis International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 48 degrees.
Goofy, ha, Orange Cat.
Making the
What are you up to?
humidity 63%.